Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix BlueStacks error code 2004. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix BlueStacks error code 2004? Stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, how to fix BlueStacks error code 2004. Fix 1 is check if there are any pending updates. Launch BlueStacks 5, go to the settings menu. From the left sidebar menu, go to the About tab. Now tap on the check for updates. If there's any update your thing. Fix number 2, restart your system. Close down BlueStacks and all the programs on your PC. Then restart your computer or PC. And then after that, check if the error still persists. Fix number 3, make sure virtualization is enabled. This is why I don't use BlueStacks, because I have a new PC. It fucks my new PC, which is weird. You know, if the error still persists, then check if your PC supports virtualization or not. And if your PC supports virtualization, then check if it's enabled or not. If you do not know how to check and enable virtualization, Google it. And then fix number 4, make sure your PC fulfills minimum system requirements. So go to BlueStacks, check the system requirements. Maybe you can't, your PC is not strong enough or whatever, but yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.